Dear friends, the chemistry of PSA tips brought to you by SPA Online Coaching. The chemistry of PSA tips. The three characteristics define a pressure sensitive adhesive. The permanent tack, adhesion with light pressure, no liquid to solid phase change. Unlike liquid adhesives, the chemistry in a tape is provided fully cured, so there is no additional curing that takes place to form a bond. The bond is created by using mechanical interlocking and electrostatic interactions at the interface. These characteristics give PSA's unique performance capabilities that can provide freedom when designing a product and increase production efficiency. Benefits may include instant handling strength after applying pressure, easy to apply, consistent bond thickness, various thickness options with and without carriers, and functional foam cores, precise application with preformed or converted shapes, pre-assembly possibilities throughout the value chain, bonds dissimilar materials without damaging surfaces, metal-to-metal barriers for reduced galvanic corrosion. Pressure-sensitive adhesives come in many different formats, including double-coated tapes in various thicknesses with carriers or functional foam cores, adhesive transfer tapes, single-coated tapes, and printable films. In addition to formats, there are a wide variety of chemistries used in PSAs for industrial bonding application. Although specialty PSAs can be found in many applications, we will focus on providing a high-level overview of the three most common chemistries for the comparison purpose. There are many other factors to consider when choosing the proper tape or adhesive for use in an assembly. Acrylic, acrylic adhesive tape. The development of acrylics for pressure-sensitive adhesives began because of the tendency of natural rubber to yellow and degrade when exposed to UV ultraviolet. Acrylic chemistry also tends to have higher internal strength than the rubber chemistry. Acrylic tapes are the workhorse for of industrial bonding. The ever-evolving capabilities of acrylic chemistry allow formulations to provide high or low temperature performance, addition to high, medium, and low surface energies, HSE, MSE, LSE material, or even unique properties such as flame retardancy. Acrylic tapes are provided in various thicknesses with and without carriers and functional foam cores of acrylic foam tape offer specialty performance. Benefits including strength and dynamic stress absorption. Acrylic tapes are found in nearly every industry. Primary advantages: ability to bond to the widest range of materials, widest variety of mechanical performance capabilities, good resistance to aging and environmental conditions, Functional acrylic foam cores available for dynamic stress and vibration absorption. Primary disadvantages are also there, not as high temperature resistant as silicone, although very high temperature acrylics are available, but not to the extent of silicone adhesive. Longer time to full strength than rubber, although handling strength is typically immediately after pressure and final strength is typically high. Unlike acrylics used for liquid adhesive, the acrylic chemistry in a tape is provided fully cured, so there is no additional curing that takes place to form a bond. The bond is created by using mechanical interlocking and electrostatic interactions at the interface. Silicon, silicon adhesive tape. Silicon containing polymers can be used to create tape release liners due to their incredibly low surface energy, but are also used to formulate very adhesive itself, very strong adhesive itself. Silicon tapes are best known for their ability to bond to silicon and to tolerate a very wide range of temperatures from minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, that is minus 40 degrees centigrade, to over 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees centigrade. Primary advantages: ability to bond to silicon materials, high temperature resistance, relatively resistant to mold and fungi. The disadvantages are relatively low strength, low bond strength on non-silicon materials, although double-coated tapes are available with silicon on one side and acrylic on the other to allow bonding silicon to non-silicon. Because silicon is inorganic, meaning that the backbone of the chemistry is non-carbon, it is inherently hypoallergic and relatively resistant to molds and fungi. Rubber adhesive tapes. Rubber was the first material used to make pressure sensitive adhesives. Over the decades, rubber PSA technology has advanced to include both natural and synthetic rubber resins and a wide variety of tackifiers used to tune the adhesive for specific performance. Rubber adhesives build the bond faster than other chemistries. They can bond to most surfaces, including LSE, and are relatively low cost. They are a versatile option for many applications. However, their final bond strength is lower than acrylic PSAs and they are more vulnerable to the effects of aging, sunlight, and oxidation. The advantages are fast initial bond or high tech, adhesion to low surface energy surfaces, relatively low cost solutions. Disadvantages are lower ultimate strength compared to acrylic PSS, lower resistance to environmental conditions, that is UV and temperature. Natural rubber or polycis isoprene is mechanically worked to provide lower molecular weight polymers that can be readily dissolved or dispersed in a solvent. Synthetic polymers such as styrene isoprene polymer may also be used. Tackifiers such as pine for pine sap, among other sources, are added to give the adhesive additional takiness along it to be used as PSA. Adhesion science. The principal requirement of an adhesive bond is to connect two materials while withstanding the stresses they will be subjected to in their use. Using adhesives is not as intuitive as it may seem. Adhesive science is a multidisciplinary field requiring a knowledge of chemistry and physics, mechanics and rheology, design and engineering. The adhesive science or the study of adhesion consists of three equally essential parts which combine to form the basic adhesive selection and adhesive engineering. The surface science, the joint geometry and adhesive chemistry as shown in the figure below. The surface science, the chemical composition of a surface teaches us whether an adhesive will make adequate contact along for a bond. Unique factors like cleanliness and surface texture affect adhesive performance. Surface science examines these and other characteristics that impart the surface of a substance. Adhesive chemistry. The unique adhesive chemistry of an individual adhesive will in part determine its suitability for a given bonding application. Not only will chemistry play a role in an adhesive's ability to bond to the surface, but different chemistries will respond differently to stresses or loads, temperatures, or environment. Joint geometry. Joint geometry or the shape of a bond will impart the performance of an adhesive bond, as will the direction and the intensity of the stresses. Not only do adhesives respond to the stress differentially than mechanical or thermal fasteners, but different substrates and adhesive chemistries respond differently as well. Adhesive bonding, connecting two materials. Adhesive bonding is a method by which two materials are joined into an assembly. Adhesive bonding may take the place of or be used in addition to traditional thermal or mechanical attachment methods such as welds, bolts, screws, or rivets. The principal requirement of an adhesive bond is to connect two materials while withstanding the stresses those materials will be subjected to in their use. Adhesive bonding is a sophisticated process in which several factors interact to contribute to the success. Adhesive bond strength. Adhesives and tapes offer unique benefits compared to welds and mechanical fasteners without sacrificing strength. Learn how adhesive bond strength is tested and measured and the many factors to consider when choosing an adhesive for an application. Measuring the strength of an adhesive bond. The most common way to measure adhesive bond strength is to pull the bond upward. Image on an adhesive bonding being pulled upward is shown below. With each of the mechanisms of adhesive playing a role in performance, adhesive scientists investigate the strength of an adhesive bond to determine its ability to perform in an application. Measuring the work of adhesion for a given bond helps to determine the strength of an adhesively bonded assembly. The most common way to measure this is to pull an adhesive bond apart. The force needed to pull the bond apart allows engineers to understand how the adhesive will perform in the application. Adhesion and cohesion work together to create a strong bond. Learn about the distinctly different zones within an adhesive bond. Image of a cross sectional of a bond. Here is the image. You can see in this image, in the middle portion, there is adhesive. There is a substrate on top side, substrate on below side. The surface of the substrate comes in contact with the adhesive and the this forms the boundary layers. Cohesive strength. Cohesive strength is the internal strength of an adhesive, the ability of the adhesive to hold itself together under stress. The higher the cohesive strength, the stronger the adhesive. Cohesive strength is determined by chemical composition of the adhesive. The strength of adhesive covers a wide range from pressure-sensitive adhesives to structural epoxy and acrylic adhesives. It is important to consider the specific types of stress that will act on an adhesive joint. Common stresses include shear, the peel, the tensile, and the cleavage. Knowing the magnitude and frequency of the stresses your application will be subjected to is helpful in choosing the adhesive with the best cohesive strength for the task at hand. Substrate surface energy is important in adhesive selection. Learn how wet out helps determine the adhesive choice for low and high surface energy substrates. Image of a droplet of water landing on a surface. The water spreads on to illustrate the high surface energy substrate. The surface energy is a physical property of the surface of a material that determines whether an adhesive will make intimate contact. On a material with high surface energy, a liquid will wet out or spread out on the surface. On a material with low surface energy, the liquid will resist flowing and bead up. An adhesive must wet out the substrate to provide a bond. To choose the proper adhesive, it is important to understand the surface energies of all substrates in your assembly and how well the adhesive will wet out each. Surface cleanliness must also be considered as some adhesives require a high degree of substrate cleanliness. How does adhesive work? To better understand how or why an adhesive will stick to a surface, it helps to understand the mechanism of adhesion. There are four commonly recognized methods through which adhesives and tape will bond to a substrate surface. Chemical adhesion. Here is a figure at the bottom side of the slide. The chemical adhesion occurs via molecular contact at the surface of the substrate. It is the strongest mechanism of adhesion with bonds occurring between functional groups in the adhesive and atoms or molecules on the substrate surface. This mechanical contributes This mechanism contributes to the structural strength of many adhesives such as epoxies bonding aluminum. Chemical adhesion is the strongest mechanism of adhesion and occurs at the molecular level. Graphic illustrating chemical adhesion is shown below. Mechanical interlocking of adhesion. Mechanical interlocking occurs as the adhesive flows into the pores of the substrate's surface. The interlocking provides a physical impediment, impediment to crack propagation at the interface. It also serves to increase surface area, increasing total contact between adhesive and substrate. Liquid adhesives readily flow upon application to the substrate prior to drying or curing. Bonding tips continue to flow slowly over time, building strength as they do. Mechanical interlocking occurs as the adhesive flows into the pores on the substrate's surface. A graphical demonstrating the effect of adhesion flow in mechanics is shown below. Diffusion adhesion. Diffusion occurs when the adhesive polymer is capable of penetrating and entangling with the polymeric substrate. An interface is created with entangled polymer chains bonding adhesive and substrate. This mechanism is common in assemblies with different or difficult to bond low surface energy materials such as polypropylene. Diffusion adhesion is common in assemblies with difficult to bond low surface energy materials. Graphic illustrating the diffusion mechanics is as per the diagram. Electrostatic adhesion. Electrostatic adhesion occurs as the charged surface of the adhesive is drawn towards the oppositely charged substrate, and it is most common in tape applications. It's a phenomena often observed when trying to tape a box or wrap a present. Electrostatic adhesion is most common in tape applications. Graphic illustrating electrostatic adhesion of the tape and substrate is shown below. Pressure-sensitive adhesive chemistries. Henkel manufactures a range of pressure-sensitive adhesives. These products allow businesses to improve efficiency and meet the demand of customers. There are many different types of pressure-sensitive adhesive chemistries on the market. Major types of pressure-sensitive adhesives are solvent acrylic pressure-sensitive adhesive, emulsion acrylic pressure-sensitive adhesives, solvent rubber pressure-sensitive adhesive, rubber-based hot melt pressure-sensitive adhesive, UV curable pressure-sensitive adhesive. PSAs are commonly used to make various types of labels and tapes. These products are used across several industries including automotive, food production and packaging, electronics, and medical supply. Solvent pressure sensitive adhesives. Working with solvent-based acrylic adhesives assures products a broad operating temperature as well as resistance to moisture, weathering, UV, and some chemicals. Manufacturers often choose a solvent-based PSA for production process because they offer strength, durability under challenging conditions. Resistance to weathering and chemical exposure and tolerant towards UV Solvent-based PSAs have a variety of applications including durable labels, pharmaceutical labels, removable and resealable labels, automotive tapes, over-laminating films, vehicle graphics, exhibition graphics, wound dressing, surgical drapes, ostomy care. These PSA adhesives support applications that need to withstand extreme temperatures and chemical contact. Manufacturers need the adhesive to adhere to various substrates under the most extreme conditions to protect their customers. Loctite adhesives meet demanding environments from car batteries and pipe making to appliances identification, drum labels. These durable PSA adhesives offer strong bonds under extreme conditions. Emulsion acrylic PSS. Consumers expect their purchases to perform whether a bandage for a cut or the label on the beauty product. It needs to withstand the condition. Emulsion acrylic PSAs are versatile and provide lower operating temperatures, better UV stability, and improved clarity over other formulations. Their applications will withstand moisture, temperature changes to deliver no matter the application. Henkel's range of emulsion acrylic PSS is used across many industries. The adhesives are coater ready and provide advanced bonding and excellent results. Henkel water-based PSS are commonly used to manufacture products such as no look or clear labels, general purpose permanent labels, pharmaceutical labels, removable and resealable labels, foam tape, mounting tape. Emulsion acrylic PSS are also relied on by companies working in the graphic industry. Their high clarity, clear removability, and high cohesive makes them ideal for a range of purposes including advertising graphics, removable protective film, exhibition graphics, architecture or corporate graphics. Emulsion acrylic PSS can be used in manufacture of medical products. These types of skin-safe adhesives are commonly used for applications where skin contact is essential. Medical uses for water-based PSS include wound dressings, bandages, medical tapes. Another critical market for emulsion acrylic PSS are for food contact. These adhesives are used for food-based applications and are 100% safe for the consumer. The range of food contact adhesives are tried, tested, and approved for uses with a range of food products. These adhesives offer reliability and good adhesion and are safe for consumers. Rubber-based PSS. Rubber-based PSS are designed to help organize quarter line speeds. They provide high tack while balancing adhesion and bonding for use in several industrial applications. The rubber-based adhesives range, range offers products that are easily removable as well as adhesives for permanent bonding options. Technomelt range of products contains some of the most reliable hot melt adhesives on the market, designed to optimize coater line speed in PSA applications. The adhesives offer superior cost in use and are known for their quality, reliability, and efficiency. The products in hot melt pressure sensitive range are suitable for use in a number of industries. Technomelt hot melt adhesives for labels are ideal for manufacturing of food labels, packaging list envelopes, general purpose permanent labels, fabrics and tire labels, removable and resealable labels, specialty labels. Technomelt hot melt adhesives for tapes offer wide temperature application windows, good addition to PE, PP, and very high tech and peel values. As a result, it's commonly used for manufacture automotive tapes, security bags, construction and roofing tapes, electronic assembly, general purpose permanent tape, hook and loop tape, instant sticky tapes. Many adhesives, including PSA hot melt adhesives, are used in the manufacture of medical products. Technomer hot melt PSAs for medical applications approved for skin contact have good anchorage to various medical substrates and have clean removability. They are used in production of wound dressings, bandages, medical tapes, UV pressure sensitive adhesives. UV curable PSA adhesives give you freedom to offer more options and catch the attention of customers. UV curable PSAs enable heavier coat widths at high line speeds, optimizing productivity for thicker tapes. Superior clarity enables no look labels with the coating benefits of 100% solid technology. Henkel offers the comprehensive UV product portfolio for a wide spectrum of applications, improved productivity with maximized line speeds, elimination of hazardous solvents, industry leading experts to provide customized solutions. Changeover between UV curable and other PSA adhesives requires additional care to prevent cross contamination. UV curable PSAs are reactive systems that can gel over time if they are not properly removed. Proper and regular cleaning of the melt tank and hoses will reduce the adhesive buildup on equipment surfaces and minimize production downtime. Loctite adhesives offer an alternative to process constraint solution acrylic options. These adhesives utilize a free radical or cationic photoinitiator to enable the production of heavier coat widths at high line speeds. These products feature 100% solids to eliminate handling hazardous solvents, faster curing to maximize manufacturing flow speeds and energy, effective packaging with no metal trunk disposal, PSA industry applications, flexible, reliable, and versatile PSA adhesives are used across a range of industries, often supplied to products in order to seal or identify the item. The PSA material is commonly used in tapes, labels, and graphics. The type of skin-safe adhesive is also used to make several medical supplies, including bandages, wound dressings, with the importance of skin contact and sensitivity in mind. Pressure sensitive adhesive troubleshooting, eliminating or minimizing downtime is essential for all businesses. This can be issues you may need to troubleshoot when using PSA adhesives. Common coating issues to troubleshoot: edge crawl or creep or adhesive retracting back in form where it was coated, wet out or de-wetting, streaks or lines in coating, pinholes, defects in the coating, the temperature profile of ovens, how to achieve coat wet control, coat wet profile, Dr. blade adhesive buildup or cleaning, wrinkling wrinkling of coating on the substrate, common adhesive issues to troubleshoot, foaming during use, gels or gel formation, grits or contamination, clogging filters due to debris, due to dust, due to grit, viscosity too high or too low. In case of solvent base, the viscosity may gradually go high due to evaporation of solvent. In case of fortmates, it can go low if the adhesive is cooled down. Solids too high can cause adhesive buildup and coating issues. Freeze, freezing or freezing of the coating or adhesive may also cause troubles. Skinning, in case of water-based adhesive, skinning is always a big problem. Mixing to ensure homogeneity prior to use. Pump problems, getting adhesive from tube drum to coating it. How to best clean up, flushing all the lines, changing the adhesive or cleaning. How to address clog lines, separation of adhesive. Smell usually indicates biogrowth if the adhesive is stored for a long time. So this was a presentation information on chemistry of PSS. For any further information, you are free to contact us on our email. You can join us on our YouTube channel. Thanking you very much. The presentation was brought to you by SPA Online Coaching.